Okay, here's Rhett with his neck ring on in the pool. He is swimming. He keeps his head out of the water, and he likes to use his legs. That's right. He's kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Rhett. Hey, Rhett. Hey, Rhett. Oh. Oh. There's another one floating. Very good, Savannah. Summer, why don't you get over there and jump off in the deep end, and I'll film you. Oh, you gonna laugh. Rhett's laughing. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Summer, if you want on this video, you better go do it now. Kick, kick, kick. Oh, he's gonna laugh. He's gonna laugh. He's gonna laugh. He's gonna laugh. Savannah, why don't you go sit on the stairs over there, baby? Okay, hold on. Oh, hold on. Look at that. Look at Savannah. Look at Rhett. All right, go, Summer, go. Well, I would suggest not jumping in right there. Come on. Go. There she goes. All right, good girl.
This is my strength spot every day.
Rhett's talking. He's talking. He's laughing. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Look at that boy kick them legs. Oh, he got the foot. Hey, Rhett. Hey. Where's the baby? Peekaboo.
I need this.
Good boy.
Oh,
he's kicking. Oh, he's kicking.
Do not.
Look at that boy kicking those legs.
Do the calf leg.